Alright, so since we're here, we'll start with these cables right here, and I know that I'm going to have issues with these. So the black one goes in furthest over there. Let's try to screw that in. Like, it's gone in, but now it needs to be screwed in. And as always, righty-tighty and lefty-loosey. Hopefully it will stay in place, and hopefully it'll make proper contact with the inner workings of the machine there, which it sometimes does not. So we're going to be hopeful in so many ways. But yeah. Okay. So hopefully that went in. Again, it's all like micro technology, super tiny. It's hard to say if it went in or not until you turn the thing on, and then you will know. Alright, so we have these things here, and they want you to use pliers, which I have, but I don't have the right kind. But we'll just make do with whatever we have, and then I think they give you 6 instead of 4, just in case you mess up one of them. And I believe that you only need 2 at a time. I believe you only need 2 at a time based on this drawing, on this picture here. And they should go in here. So that's what we'll try to do. First, we'll try to take 2 of them off without breaking all of them, which is going to be an interesting task. I'm going to hold 2 like this. Alright, so that worked. Okay. Don't try to do this by hand without pliers, because there's a good chance you'll break it in the wrong spot. Alright. That seems to have worked. And now, as you can see here, they will go in there. I don't know how deep they have to go, but hopefully that is deep enough. And then hopefully that'll work. Anyway, let's try to do this in here and push it in. Hopefully that is good enough. But then they want you to sort of bend them so that it'll fit in there. So that'll be a hassle, but we'll try not to snap these. We'll try to turn it a little bit without snapping those things in there. I can't stress this enough. Be gentle. Be really gentle. And this kind of metal has some give to it, but be gentle just the same. Alright, so then these, if you haven't bent them in awkward angles, they should fit in there like so. And then we'll use the screwdriver that I talked about earlier. Again, this is not the one that's provided. The one that's provided won't do you any good whatsoever. So I guess it wasn't good for everything in the box. You do need to have this, and yeah. So there's going to be a lot of disappointed people if you thought that you had everything you needed to do this right out of the box. You don't. Especially if you buy this product at Micro Center instead of on their website. you won't have the battery either, so you'll have to use this cable, and I still don't know if it works or not, but we will find out in the next video. So thanks for watching.